Hey YouTube fans, back with an update on our spa. It's been super cold here. Today is February the 4th. I wanted to give you an update on what's been going on with the spa. So let's go back here and take a look and do some things. And I want to show you my garden is dead. Garden is dead. It's getting time to replant. Everything is gone. So let's go back here and see what we're going to do. All right, we got Charles back here waiting on me. So this is real video. And I'm gonna show y'all the sail shade is down because the rain come and took it down. I guess we didn't have it up right, I don't know, but it's gone. Here's the spa. It's been raining, been in an ice storm. It's got rainwater all on it. So we about to clean it up. So let's get in here and see what things is looking like up under this cover. All right, Charles. There's Charles, everybody. He's going to work with me today on getting this cleaned up. And we're going to probably do a review on some new filters. Hey, y'all. Okay, so we have already went through here and, got these little things opened up. So we're going to be as surprised as you guys. So we're going to open this up and see what we got going on. Oh, look at there. It's surprisingly nice. That temperature is over there reading at 95. So let's look. Let's come over here and look at this cover. So this cover has got some little stains on it from where we had to turn this off when the temperature got super cold. And when we come back out here, it was a mess. So here's what it's looking like. It's kind of clear. Got some debris, whatever, in there. But for the most part, it looks pretty clean. You can tell around the rims some of that rust stuff, whatever got on here. All right, so it's pretty warm. See, this is me, real. This is a real video. Feels pretty good. It's at 95 degrees. And we're going to check the filter and see what it's looking like. So Charles...
Go Vols!
Yeah, man. So Charles is going to pull this filter out. As you can, I got the camera aimed. Charles, pull your sleeve up. Get it?
Yeah.
All right.
Finally. Sorry, folks.
All right. So this filter on. Okay, and so this is what this filter. This is what this is looking like. We're gonna open this up and see. Oh, it just pop off. I didn't have. Ooh, water coming out of it. You sure, Joe?
I'm not really sure.
Oh, there you go. All right. So this is a filter. Look at it. It's pretty dirty. And this filter came with the spa. Okay. So what we're gonna do is put a new filter in here. And let me get that. Okay, so the name of this company that sent us some nice filters is called Jowlawn, and they're on Amazon. So let me get the package of the filter so we can get one in this thing and see how it's gonna do. And we're gonna come back tonight and get in here. All right, so here's the package filters. Okay, get them out. So got pack of 6. This come with it. See how it's looking? Totally the same thing looking like. So we're gonna open this up. Put one in here.
Just so y'all know, my Vols are playing right now, so I'm out here filming a video just to let you know how much I love my wife.
And look, it's not even that cold out here. What you say the temperature would be?
Probably 55.
50 something degrees. Okay, so here's the filter thing right here, and we're going to put this in here. So let's look, see inside. There's nothing in here, so we're just gonna set this in here, and it fits like, you know, it's just in there. Okay, Then we're going to put this top back on. And it just pushes down. And then you have a little thing.
I got to put that on after I put it on there.
Okay. So then we're going to let Charles, let's get y'all down here so y'all can see this. Put it back on the thing. And we didn't turn that pump off or anything. This is the old filter thing that come out of here. So that's it. That didn't even take long. So we got the new filter in there. And I'm going to leave a link down in my description box where you can go out to this website and check those filters out. And we're going to come back tonight and we're going to be in here and see how this does.
Now it's time to go watch those mighty balls play.
See y'all later. All right, YouTube, you know what time it is. It's spa time. So if it's the head back here, Charles is back here getting the cover taken off of the spa. And we're going to get in here and look at that filter and see how it's doing. And then we're going to get in here. All right, so there is Charles out here getting the cover off of this spa. We come out here about 1 p.m. and put a new filter in here. Alright, so we out here. It's dark. Let me see if I can turn on some light. There we go. So Charles, what are you thinking about? Look at that steam coming up.
Man, feels awesome. Heat, great outside weather, not too cold, just about right. We got our heater on just in case.
All right, guys. So as you can see, this water is clear. It is clear. So that filter is doing its job like it's supposed to do. Let me let y'all see the temperature of this water. This water is at 99 degrees. So it is nice and cozy. Let me let y'all get a look at this patio gas heater that we purchased. And I can leave a link to that below. So now it's time for me to get in here and join. So I'm gonna let y'all see that 2 people can fit in this Saluspa Spa. All right, so let's see. Both of us gonna get in this thing.
Look at that.
Oh God, this water is hot. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that steam coming out. This water, this feels good. What would you say the temperature is right about now, Charles?
Probably 45, 46 outside. So,
okay, so yeah, and that heater has got that little top on it, so it keeps the heat down here on this part instead of going up into the air. So, as y'all can see, it's big enough for 2, and this filter is got this cleaned up, and it's what it's supposed to do. So, I guess we're gonna cut this video short and turn our air jets on. Oh, here it comes. God, look at that. Nice, cozy, and nice. I know y'all can't see us because of all this steam coming up, but you're going to enjoy this spa, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Thank you.